If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta platforms with the ticker symbol META. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Man, I really didn't feel like putting out a video today, but I gotta stay committed for my fans. So again, guys, it's Meta Tuesday, so let's take a look at the chart and see what has happened in the past week. So it looks like we did have a little pop-up, which is okay, but we saw selling pressure come back in very quickly. Today was a pretty large drop. So is my target of around 122 or below the 130 still valid? Yes, I still believe we're headed down there. We just took a little detour. We continued a little bit higher before selling off. We came back down to fill in this little gap that was created, and it looks like to completely fill it is right around the 158. So it's probably going to be knocked out tomorrow. And if we do continue lower, we're going to make a new low of this downtrend and surpass that 154 level. I do have a measured move that is lower, so you can see that this is a leg down right here. If we make another leg down, this is right around the 122, 123 level. So that's my target still for Meta platforms. It looks like we were supposed to pull back near the resistance side of the channel, which is right around here. This trend line is holding down prices, but we cannot even pull back all the way up here before continuing lower. Looks like we got rejected near the EMA. We didn't even touch the EMA, we just got rejected near it. So this market is very weak. It looks like pretty much any rally we have is short-lived, and we just see lower prices. I mean, well, today it was a big drop, but tomorrow could be a huge gain. It could be something like that too. We could pull back all the way up here, right around the 180 level or even the 190 level. But the market's so weak that we might not even do that. We might just continue lower from where we are right now. So the market should have pulled back around that 174 level. We only got up to the 172 level, so the market's pretty weak. It looks like we are continuing lower again with the trend. So I'm looking for a new low of this downtrend. And if we do continue lower, I'm looking for the opposite side of the channel to be hit, and probably even this measured move target. So that's everything I see for Meta platforms. Just a side note, sometimes it is better just to hold cash, in my opinion, versus just throwing it in the market, because you always hear that cash is trash, you know, in inflationary markets. But the thing is, if assets such as cryptos, gold, silver, and even stocks continue to go lower, and you're holding cash, then your cash is technically getting stronger, because now you can be now you can buy more than if you just bought at any random point. So your cash really isn't trash if asset prices continue to go lower and you have pretty much ammo waiting on the sidelines to jump in. So it's not really trash at the end of the day. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for Meta platforms. Last week was a nice bullish candle bar at the lows of the range, which could have marked, the lows of this downtrend, which could have marked a bottom. But you can see that sellers came right back in the market as soon as buyers entered above this candle, and it looks like they're about to get stopped out. They have the stop losses below this candle, so this is where they will get out when they are wrong on their read. So it looks like there's a bunch of stop losses right around this 153, 154 level, so we could see a bigger push down once we trigger that. Maybe not. Well, the week's not over yet, so sometimes this red candle that you see right now could turn into a green candle. So as of right now, it looks pretty bad. It looks like we're going to be knocking out the lows of this downtrend, but it's also too early to call because this candle is not finished forming. So just to let you guys know that it's not over till it's over. But I'm still expecting this low to be knocked out eventually. So once that low is knocked out, I think the lows of 2020 will be also knocked out, and maybe even the lows of 2018. That's a maybe. I'm expecting more of the lows right now and 2020 to be reached, and then we'll go from there. But the rest of the week and probably next week, I believe it's also a holiday Monday, July 4th, if I'm not mistaken. So it's probably going to be another short week, but I'm expecting in the next trading day until next Tuesday, just more downward pressure. Even if you do see a pullback, it's very tough to pick a bottom in this market. I still don't see a bottom. Nothing is screaming buy for me right now. So that's everything I see from Meta Platforms. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised or awake to learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.